Hello and welcome back. This is We are going to speak about the Pivotal Application Service, and which is the runtime responsible for running all the applications in Pivotal Cloud Foundry environment. So it is considered as the best runtime for running Spring Boot applications. So and it is already considered the ready-made PaaS platform for Spring Boot applications. It is also a turnkey microservices platform. That means it is although microservice to run in a microservices, you don't need anything extra. Um, Everything is available inbuilt to Pivotal Cloud Foundry to run your microservices, whether it's a Netflix libraries, all the whether it's config server, service registry, or circuit breaker dashboard, everything is you can run from using the services available from Cloud Foundry. The .NET applications, including all the build packs, .NET build packs are also available so that you can run and push your applications to run as a container. And then PaaS built for apps. So PaaS has everything you need to run the apps. And build pack manages runtime dependencies, metrics, logging, scaling add-on for you, multi-tenancy, blue-green deployments, patterns are built in, extend the apps in this service catalog. So it is also container ready. So that's about the application service, which we already spoke. The container service, it is definitely another important aspect of Pivotal services, and it is built upon the open source Kubernetes platform, and with the help of Google and VMware, we the container service now is available to public, and it is the help of Bosch, which is manages the containers again, and the container networking is managed by NSXT. That is the SDN being used. So VMware uh, combined with Google and um, Pivotal combined together to give a production-ready container service, which is again multi-clouds based, and you can access all the Google cloud provider services through this service, and without any modification to your application. It is fully automated to scale, patch, upgrade, no downtime, same again the Bosch features, and obviously it can run the CI/CD applications. Going ahead, the Pivotal Function Service, which is again another new service provided from Pivotal, and it is a event-based, event-triggered service, which is based on the message broker, and any you want to just invoke a particular function with a particular event happens, and you want to execute this function, you can do that using Pivotal Function Service, and it is based on the open source software RIF, and you can run the functions, whether it is Java function, .NET function, or any shell script or Node.js function. You can execute it, and it is pluggable event brokers. PFS can be connected easily with popular message brokers such as Kafka, RabbitMQ, and Google Publisher Subscriber, AWS Kinesis can be connected easily. And so here are the BOSS. Let's talk a bit more about the BOSS architecture. So it is a open source toolchain for release engineering, deployment, and lifecycle management of large-scale distribution services. So when I say that it's open source toolchain for release engineering, for deployment, lifecycle management, that means with BOSS we can not only deploy, but also we can monitor and manage the services in a very large distributed environment. The day two operation, when we want the to monitor application, make it zero, you want to make it zero downtime, and take some action based on some certain features or certain remedies you want to take. Boss is uh, helpful pretty much, understanding your applications and restarting the services if it is failed. And so not only it helps in server provisioning, but also it's state monitoring, self-healing, storage management, and rolling upgrades by canaries. And what is the canary is something where you um, you want to upgrade your or roll out a new feature, and you don't have to take completely risk of the complete rolling out the into production. Before production, you want to just take as a small number of services, small number of users you want to test with new feature, that you can release, instead of releasing completely to the set of users. That's the canary release. Multi-cloud, obviously, we have already spoken about the CPI. So BOSS helps in connecting all the multi-cloud systems, whether it is VMware, OpenStack, Azure, AWS, Google, anything you can connect. So BOSS, CPI combined and gives a completely multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environment, where because with the help of these two, Cloud Foundry can give a very seamless environment for all your applications. It abstract complete the cloud features of each separate cloud service provider. And that's all in my presentation. Let's go with the